my bougie people, and welcome back to my channel. Today the video is bomb, okay? Not only because you will see the bag I scored in Paris, actually the only non-Hermes bag that I decided to buy in Paris, because at the moment I am all about Hermes. You're gonna see what I got at Bulgari, my first piece from Bulgari. I think I got the cheapest thing that Bulgari has to offer, because I got a bracelet there for like 300 bucks, and you will see why. But first, you have to mark your calendars, because you have a date with me on Thursday, June 1st at 6:30 p.m. because you guys, I'm so excited. I'm gonna be doing a live show. I'm gonna be giving away a Chanel classic bag. Vintage Chanel classic bag. This is a giveaway. I kid you not, on my live show, someone is gonna walk away with this beautiful vintage Chanel classic flat bag, and I will also be auctioning several luxury bags with bids starting at $1. I kid you not. The bids start at $1. Let me just show you. Do you see this incredible Chanel Dubai 2015 resort fashion show bag? This is so unique, so rare. I'm gonna be auctioning this starting at $1. No reserve. Whoever's the highest bidder gets to keep the bag. So I am doing a live show on Whatnot. I'm gonna tell you all about it, how you have to enter. So let's talk about the bags before I give you all the details, because I gotta get you excited, boo-boo, okay? So this bag right here is all Swarovski crystals. Look at this. Mixed metal details all around the bag and the back as well. Look at this. The leather is this beautiful perforated leather. It's like a metallic gray, but this is not it. Look at this Saint Laurent Lulu bag, also starting at $1. This is the toy size. It is so beautiful, so practical, and you can still fit a ton in here. Look at this. And one thing I should mention is that all of the bags that I'm presenting on my live show come with a certificate of authenticity from Entropy. I am also going to be auctioning this Never Full bag. Check this out. Damier Azur, beautiful, perfect for summer. Also here you can see the certificate of authenticity with the receipt. We also have a Damier Azur pouch. Look at how beautiful, for you to like go out at night looking all shishi. And we also have an Hermes bag. This one is directly from my closet, because this bag was mine. Look how beautiful is the bag. This bag is so well made. The hardware, look at the lock on the back. So now that I got you all excited to come hang out with me on my live, let's talk about the specifics, okay? If you have not heard of Whatnot, it's like a live shopping experience. Think about eBay or like Fashion File, but instead of looking at photos, you know, and scrolling, you are actually watching on your phone a live show.
The winner is...
The seller is right there, just like I'm doing to you right now, but it's live, right?
On sudden death, 15 seconds, and we are off. Okay.
You can interact with the seller, you can ask questions of the seller, you see exactly what you are buying. So in terms of luxury, you can find popular pieces all the way to rare, really unique luxury pieces.
Incredible. The hardware is still very much 24 karat.
They have pretty amazing items when it comes to luxury, and you can shop worry-free because the sellers are all vetted, and Whatnot takes authenticity very seriously. If there's any issue with the authenticity of your item, you have a money-back guarantee. So my live show is actually going to be part of this big all-day event that Whatnot is doing called the High-Low event. So on top of luxury, after my show, you can stick around for the other live shows. They have clothes, they have Skims, they have Revolve, Reformation. Let's talk about the most important part of this message. You have to create your account on Whatnot before the live show. So here's what you have to do. First, you're gonna click the link in the description box below. That's going to take you to the Whatnot website. You are going to create an account. You're gonna create a username, a password. Once you do that, you're gonna actually download the Whatnot app, and then you're gonna enter the same user information that you created on the web on the app. Once you are in the app, search for me on Whatnot, Erica's Girly World. Click on the tab that says shows, and then my scheduled show will appear. And then there is an icon on the top right. You're gonna click on that icon to save the show to make sure you are notified. Also, extremely important, for you to enter the giveaway and bid on any of the items, you have to become a verified buyer. On your profile, you're gonna go to the top right. There are these little lines. Click there, scroll down to verified buyer, and you're gonna upload a photo of your ID. And then you're also gonna click below the verified buyer, and you're gonna enter your payment and your shipping information. The reason why you have to do that is because these are bidding auctions. You don't want people with fake profiles bidding on the items and then taking the opportunity away from someone who's a legitimate buyer. Now, beyond the fabulous auction and the Chanel giveaway, of course, we're gonna have a blast. You're gonna come to hang out with me. This is gonna be so much fun, you guys. So go right now, create your profile, click the link below, and don't forget to join me next Thursday. Now, before you do your shopping with me on my live show next week, let's talk about the shopping that I did in Paris. I actually have a couple of hauls. I'm gonna do a separate video just for the Hermes items because I feel like they deserve their own separate video. And then right now I'm gonna talk to you about the bag that I got at Louis Vuitton. And I wanna start with this piece right here from Bulgari. This is my first purchase from Bulgari ever, okay? And I hope it is the first of many because I am on a jewelry kick at the moment. And like I said, this is probably the least expensive thing that Bulgari has to offer aside from like perfume. So let's do the unboxing. Pouch, it says Bulgari. It is actually a red serpenti bracelet. Look at this, how gorgeous, you guys. So here's the deal, right? I have been pretty paranoid with like evil eye. I don't know if you guys are superstitious at all, but I'm from Brazil. In Brazil, we are very spiritual, very superstitious people. And you know, whenever you live your life on social media, and I'm not saying just myself, you cannot have a social media account and have people that are really envious of you, your friends, your neighbors, right? So the evil eye are basically people that are envious and jealous of your life, and they just throw this bad energy on you. So I do a lot of things in my real life to kind of get rid of evil eye and bad energy. And actually wearing a red bracelet, it is protection against evil eye and envy and negative energy and jealousy. So I was looking for the perfect red bracelet because, you know, I need a bougie red bracelet, okay? And I had seen this one from Bulgari with a serpenti, which I love snakes, just in jewelry, not as my friends. But I love snakes, and I saw this bracelet on the Bulgari website once, and I posted about it, and it sold out, and it never came back in stock, like ever. At the time when I posted it, I had just done a whole bunch of shopping. I couldn't buy it, and I posted it on my Instagram, and I think you all bought it because it was gone. And this has been like, I don't know, a year ago, and I have never been able to find it since. So when I went to Paris this time, I was on a mission to find this in Paris because Paris has like several Bulgari stores, super easy to get stock. They have way more stock than here, right? So I went to the Bulgari boutique at Place Vendôme. They didn't have it there, but they were able to bring it for me next day. The bracelet was there for me to go pick it up, the exact color I wanted. The price of this, I think, is like 280 euros or 290 euros, not bad at all. And honestly, this experience at the Bulgari boutique at Place Vendôme completely made me fall in love with Bulgari. Guys, we got in there, right? I'm going in to buy a $280 bracelet. You know, people go to Bulgari and spend 30,000 euros, right? They treated me like a queen, okay? It did not matter how much money I was spending. The client advisor, if you go to Paris and you want to buy some Bulgari, you have to go to the Place Vendôme one and ask for Kalinga. K-A-L-I-N-G-A, Kalinga. He was incredible. He gave us an entire tour of the boutique, told us the history about the boutique. The one on Place Vendôme is actually the largest Bulgari boutique in the world, and it is incredible. They have all of these back rooms rooms, they have these lounges. Things were a little bit tricky because I don't know if you follow me on Instagram, I posted about this. Bulgari has just been robbed in Paris. I actually posted the video of the Bulgari being robbed. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you need to, because all the action goes down there, all of the news, everything real time. It's Erica's Girly World. But I posted about the robbery, and I could tell on the boutique everybody was really on the edge, like so much security, you know, all of the client advisors, like the security protocol. So he didn't allow me to film at all. I was very sad because I saw a few things there. I saw some bags there that I almost died, you guys, and I wanted to film for you. I will post on my Paris vlog some photos and a little bit of filming that I was able to do, very minimal, but they weren't allowing filming because of security purposes. But the service I received there was spectacular. It's like, I want to go back there and buy a true piece of jewelry from them just because of how I was treated. It's amazing when you are treated well in a boutique. It can make you completely fall in love with a brand, right? And that's what happened with me and Bulgari. Next, we're gonna do Louis Vuitton. I have 2 Louis Vuitton items to unbox for you. So let me show you the first one. As you can probably already tell, sunglasses. To me, Louis Vuitton sunglasses are just the best in the market. They are the most bougie ones. They do not go on sale. To me, they're special. The design is next level. I think Chanel sunglasses are a bit boring for the most part. I feel like Louis Vuitton sunglasses are truly fashionable sunglasses. So I have to buy them every time I go to Paris because it's so much cheaper there. Louis Vuitton sunglasses now are like $700, $750 with taxes, almost $800, right? You go to Paris, you're paying $550. It's a pretty big difference. And then you get the VAT return. So I had to do it. So let me show you. See, it has the little Louis Vuitton logos, very, very subtle on the lenses. Now let me put them on for you. Guys, I think they look so bougie. I mean, do I look rich or do I look rich? I had actually seen these sunglasses in Ibiza last year. I did not buy because I had shopped in Paris. I was poor, you guys. I had spent it all, okay? I couldn't even buy this. I bought a pair of shoes in Ibiza and that was it. And I was never able to find these sunglasses ever again, okay? So hard to find, and then sold out here in the US completely. I go to Paris, it's available in a couple of select stores. I had to get them because I want them to wear in Greece. Look at this. Do I look like I have a sugar daddy or what? Yes, so I am feeling myself, as you can tell. But when we buy luxury, isn't that what luxury is supposed to do? It's supposed to make us feel ourselves, right? That's why we do it, okay? That's the point. All right, so now let's unbox my second Louis Vuitton item. Let me take this off so I can see properly. I'm so excited about this bag. I don't know what you guys are gonna think about this bag, okay? But I am so excited about it. You just have no idea. Not a lot of bags from Louis Vuitton are exciting me these days. Like I told you, I have been buying a lot of Hermes, and I am actually trying to make better purchases. I do not want super trendy bags that are like collaborations. I'm typically staying away from collaborations because I think they look passé very fast. So I am looking for bags that are, I don't know, neutral colors that I'm gonna wear a lot and that I feel will be around for a long time, and this is the case. This bag was not on my plan to buy because I had already bought 2 Hermes bags. I was not planning on spending any more money, okay? But I saw this. This is the reveal of my little munchkin. But hold on, I need to glamorize her first. Hold on. Okay, say hello to my little friend. My new Louis Vuitton. This is the Papillon BB in this beautiful quilted leather. Oh my gosh, look at this up close. Look at this, it's so fluffy, it's like a cloud, okay? With the Louis Vuitton logos a bit more understated, which is what I am going for. lately. I just think it's easier to style bags that are not full of logos in different colors or on a different color than the bag itself. I just think it's so much easier to style. And I was looking for the perfect white bag. I've been using a super ragamuffin Versace one, and I wanted something a bit more high styling, and I saw this on the display, and I'm gonna tell you all of the reasons why I think this bag is fabulous. But looking at the detail, look at here, the zipper with the Louis Vuitton logo right here. You know, all of the hardware has the Louis Vuitton logo. It comes with a detachable strap that also says Louis Vuitton on it if you want to wear it in a sportier way. And then I already have a Papillon BB in pink, and I know how spacious this bag is. You can fit a phone here easily, and for a small bag, it fits so much inside. So first of all, like I told you, I wanted a white bag. Not easy finding a fabulous white bag. I live in Florida. Most of my outfits are light colors. This for me is a real life everyday bag. Maybe if you live in a cold place, the black one would be a better option for you. But for me, I wanted a white bag that I thought was bougie and cute and super practical, okay? So I love the logo that's a bit more subdued. So I have been going for solid color bags that have logos in a bit more subdued way. It's not gonna clash with the colors of your outfit. So I love this. Leather, you know, I have been going for more leather bags as of late. Of course, there are exceptions, right? If I see a bag that rocks my world that is not leather, I will buy it. But I will tell you that for the most part, I want leather bags. The other thing I love about this bag is that you can wear it from casual all the way to formal. Because for casual, you have your strap right here. You can put it crossbody, you can put it shoulder and go walk around town. You can wear cute little shorts and sneakers and look like $1,000,000. You can take off the chain, right? Look at that. Now, one thing I'm going to mention is I am going to put some Scotch Guard on this strap to prevent it from getting dirty, because I know the white is gonna get dirty as heck. I actually filmed a video that I'm gonna post for you guys showing exactly how I protect my Louis Vuitton bags. Both the Vachera leather, what product I use, and then I used it on a fabric tote that I got in Mykonos last year, and I also used Scotch Guard to protect the fabric section. I filmed the entire process. I will be posting that for you, but I am gonna be putting Scotch Guard to protect my strap. Let's say I want to go to a little bit more of a formal event. I can wear my bag like this with the chain, and I can wear this with a super cute dress. I can go for brunch and look a bit more feminine and a bit dressier. Or if I want a super cute minimalist dressy look, let's say I'm gonna go out at night and I have a super cute baby pink dress, I can go just like this, and this is the perfect night bag. So do you see how flexible this bag is? Also amazing for travel because it is a very compact bag. You can fit this in your carry-on very, very easily. When you travel with this bag, you're gonna be able to wear it in a million different ways. So I just think this is the perfect bag. And actually all of my latest bags have been along these same lines. They are flexible. I can remove straps. I can make them casual. I can make them dressy. I don't want bags that are super limiting, kind of like I'm buying a straw bag and I can only wear it for beachy outfits, or I am buying a bag that I can only go out at night. I don't go out that much. Maybe if I had all of these night events, or if I was at the beach all the time, maybe those would be worthwhile for me, you guys, but it's not. It's like sporadic for me. So for me to get a lot of wear, bang for my buck, and a lot of wear out of my bags, I need bags that are flexible for many different occasions. This bag was 2,300 euros. You do the VAT, you're gonna get another 12% back returned to you, so it is an amazing deal. And in case you did not know, whenever you travel to Europe, the best brands that offer you the biggest price difference are Louis Vuitton and Hermes. Chanel is not really worth buying abroad unless you see something that you cannot get here in the US. Same for Gucci, same for Prada. Louis Vuitton and Hermes, the price difference is big. So I always prioritize them when I travel to Paris. So there you go, guys. I hope you loved my purchases, and make sure to join me on my live show. I am so excited to hang out with you guys. Chanel giveaway, amazing goodies to auction. We're gonna have a blast. So I will see you on Whatnot on June 1st. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate you taking time off of your busy day to watch my videos. I'll see you on the next one. Love you. Bye.